Hello, students. Let's read this problem together. Joseph's monthly income is $3,000 and is represented by the following table. Choose the statement that is not supported by the table. So we're looking for something that is not true. So here on letter A, it says more than 1/4 of Joseph's monthly income is spent on rent. So let's take a look at rent. That's $900. So we know that the rent is $900 out of, we can make a fraction, the part to total. The rent is $900 and the total is $3,000. And I can simplify that. I can divide both of them by 100. And that will give us 9/30. And then I can divide both of them by 3. And that will be 3/10. So 3/10 is 30%. Is that more than 1/4? Remember that 1/4 is 25%. So is 30% more than 25%? Yes, it is. So this is true. But we are looking for something that is not true. So A is not the answer. Letter B. More than half of Joseph's monthly income is spent on medical and other expenses. So medical and other expenses, if I put them together, is 630 and 240. That would be a total of 870. So 870 is the part out of a total of 3,000. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide this by 10, and I will get 87 out of 300. Next, I'm going to divide both of them by 3. That'll be 100 in the bottom, 300 divided by 3. And in the top, 87 divided by 3. I'm just going to work it out right here real quick. 3 goes into 8 2 times. That'll be 6. So we'll have 2 left over. Bring down the 7. 3 goes into 27 9 times. So this would be 29. So we know that 29 out of 100 is 29%, because that's what percent means, out of 100. So 1/3 is 33 1/3%. Those are some of the percents that we should know, right? So 33 1/3% is 33 1/3%. I'm comparing it to 29%. So did we spend more than 33 1/3% on medical and other expenses? No, because Joseph spent 29%, which is less, not more than. So this is not true. And we are looking for something that is not true. So I believe that this will be our answer. But we're going to check the other ones just to be sure. So letter C says Joseph uses 10% of the monthly budget on savings. So that would be 10% of 3,000. So we can make a percent box. The part to the total. We have our percent, which is 10%, and we know our total is always 100%. We also know that the total is $3,000 in regular numbers. So if we solve that, we could use our cross products. 3,000 times 10 is 30,000, and that's equal to x times 100, which is 100x. So if we divide by 100, we will eliminate the coefficient because 100 divided by 100 is 1, but I have to divide by 100 on the other side, which will give us 300 divided by 1. So x is $300. So let's look at savings, and that's $300. So that matches, so that is true. And again, we are looking for something that is not true, so C is not the answer. The last one says Joseph uses 25% of the monthly budget on gas and food. So gas is 150 and food is 600. So together, 150 plus 600 is $750. And we can put that into our percent box. Part to total. The part that we want is the gas and food. And we figured out that that's $750 out of 3,000. And so if we put 100 here, we can figure out the percent. The other way we could do it is we could actually put 25% into this box, which is what we did in the previous one, and then figure out how much money that would be. Okay, so the percent box works either way. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this. So 750 times 100 is 75,000. And that's equal to 3,000 x. So we're going to divide by 3,000. On both sides of the equation, as we always do, we have to do the exact same thing to both sides. So 3,000 divided by 3,000 is just x. And here we're going to do 75,000 divided by 1,000. So we're going to take away 3 of those zeros. And 3,000 divided by 1,000. So we're going to take away 3 of those zeros. And we have 75 divided by 3, which is 25. Now, because we left the x in the percent sign, that would be 25%. And that is true. So the only one that we got not true for is B. So our correct answer is